Yerba mate. Yerba mate tea, often just called mate, is an herbal tea made out of the leaves of Ilex paragonaceae. This plant, being the Ilex genus, is a species of holly related to the familiar American holly or English hollies. Yerba mate is unusual in that it's one of the few caffeinated herbal teas, indeed the only caffeinated herbal tea that is widely available in Western countries. Yerba mate is not technically a tea. The only true teas come from the tea plant, Camellia sinensis, and even though it is technically an herbal tea, people selling it usually refrain from labeling it as such, because people tend to assume that herbal teas are caffeine-free, and yerba mate contains caffeine. Yerba mate is easily available across stores all over the world, in loose form or in tea bags. A toasted version is also available in the stores. How to take yerba mate? Yerba mate can be consumed as a tea, like an infusion, or in extract form. Most human studies use 1 to 3 cups over a longer period of time before any effects will show. Overall, I would advise you to take it 1 to 2 times daily. Yerba mate weight loss recipe. Ingredients: half a cup organic yerba mate, water to taste, and how to prepare. Pour some yerba mate tea into your mate cup until it's full 3/4. Pour warm water onto part of the yerba mate. The yerba is now getting wet and the infusion is starting to take place. Wait for 30 seconds. Put the mate straw into the wet yerba mate tea. Pour in hot water softly. Add sugar to taste to the mate if you want to sweeten and drink the yerba mate tea. Your tea is ready to drink. Yerba mate is marketed for its supposed ability to suppress appetite and burn fat. Evidence suggests its appetite suppression effect can only be achieved through high doses, if at all. Yerba mate's fat-burning effect is attributed to its caffeine content. It has not been shown to be a more effective fat burner than compounds like green tea catechins, though it can help reverse some of the adverse health effects associated with obesity. Precaution: there could be a risk to the heart due to the high content of caffeine. Even though there is approximately 80 milligrams of caffeine found in yerba mate, as compared to 100 to 200 milligrams in a cup of coffee, yerba mate tea is often consumed throughout the day, with 4 to 5 cups not being an usual amount for daily consumption. This consistent caffeine boost to the system can take a toll on the cardiovascular system and can be dangerous for those who already have high blood pressure. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAH, have been associated with an increased risk of cancer. It is important to make sure that yerba mate during processing does not get contaminated by PAHs that may pose a risk of cancer of oral cavity, esophagus, larynx. It may also increase the risk of upper intestinal tract cancer over long term. It is not safe for children as well as pregnant women. It may also be avoided by women during breastfeeding post-delivery. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure yerba mate is safe for you.